Hey everyone, and alright, so we're gonna be doing the Gumball machine review, okay? Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing the Gumball machine review, okay? Alright, so here is the Gumball machine. See that? Here is the Gumball machine. See that? Let's do that. So it's over. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I got a pink gumball. See? Yeah, I just got a pink gumball. Alright, let me try to eat it. Mmm. It's so pinky. Mmm. Yeah, so I don't know anything about it, okay? Okay guys, yep. I just spit the gumball out of the trash can. Let's go say hi to my 5-year-olds and dad. Hi dad.
Hi.
Yep. Hello dad. Hi Lana.
Hi.
Hi Liam.
Hi.
Yeah, I know. So we're gonna be drawing the number 20, okay? Alright guys. We're gonna be drawing number 20, okay? I'll be right back. Alright guys. We're gonna be drawing number 20, okay? We're gonna be drawing the number 20, okay? Alright. So, I have this permanent marker, and I'm ready to draw the number 20, okay? Alright. I have some paper, so you ready? Here we go. Drawing the number 20. Here we go. That's my 2. That's my 0. That is my number 20. Okay? Alright guys. So, that's it for today. Please, give this video a cool thumbs up and like it in the comments down below. Please subscribe to our channels, our 5 channels: Toy Ingles, Ingleplay Vlogs, Ingle World, Ingleplay Places, and Ingle Sports. Bye guys. See you real soon. Bye. See ya. Bye.